this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about an IKEA haul. I have purchased so many small little things from IKEA that I think are very useful. So let me share them with you and I hope it helps you in some way.
I'll be putting the links to these products in the description box below. The first product is a splatter screen. When you add mustard seeds to the hot oil, it sort of splatters all over the place. So this splatter screen keeps everything inside the pan, as you can see. It's very easy to clean as well. The next product is a stainless steel pot stand. It has 4 plastic feet which prevents the stand from scratching and non-heat conducting. I keep it right next to the hob, and while cooking I keep all the hot pans and pots on this stand. Next is a pot lid organizer. You can customize the length based on your storage needs. It can be easily kept in a drawer or on your kitchen shelf. Then I got these food containers. They are easy to handle and very sturdy as well. This is a medium size container which is 1.3 liter and the bigger one is 2.3 liter. You can remove the lid or you can just open half to make it easier to pour from. Next is a cutlery stand in the color beige. It looks like ceramic but it is actually steel and has a polyester powder coating. There are 2 detachable plates underneath that you can remove and clean. I have a weakness for white color, so when I saw it, I quickly picked it and it looks really nice on my dining table. Then there is this cutlery set which has 4 forks, 4 tablespoons and 4 teaspoons. It was only 229 rupees for 12 pieces and they look quite strong and durable. Then let me show you these gorgeous blue glasses which comes in a set of 4. I wanted a set of 6 glasses, so I ordered 2 more separate glasses which I thought would be in same color, but it was actually turquoise, but they look quite nice too. They also have these glasses in light pink. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the glasses are huge, and if you're looking for something different than the regular water glasses, then you should definitely go for this. Next is a stainless steel steamer. I'm sure many of you must be already using it. It has 3 legs and there is a detachable handle which makes it easier to lift. It's great for steaming vegetables which retain their taste and nutrients. Then I got these light grey deep plates in stoneware. It's pretty heavy. It comes in a set of 4 in the price 999. I got them in lesser price because one of the bowl was broken. Then comes this bamboo serving bowl. It may not be huge but it is pretty big and I use it as a salad bowl. Currently it's not available online but you can check them in the IKEA store. Next comes the drying mat. It's foldable and can be machine washed. I use it on a regular basis to dry my ceramic and glass crockeries. There are these cute little spice jars. I'm sure you must have seen it. It comes in a set of 4 and it's very small and can be easily stored in your kitchen drawer. Then I got this glass soap dispenser. I use them for keeping dish soap and hand wash. It has a wide opening so it's easy to refill. I don't like to keep those big hand wash or dish soap bottles near the sink area, so these dispensers make the area look organized. I got these cleaning gloves. I love the color. I got 2 pairs. I use them for cleaning the dishes and for gardening. Then I got some storage boxes as well. It's quite big but you have to buy the lid separately. I use it to store my leftover pulses, grains and snacks. You can find it in different colors. This is another storage box. Again, you have to buy the lid separately. It has small wheels at the bottom, so you can stack multiple boxes and move them from one corner to another. Then comes this bedside table, which I absolutely love. It's very functional and rental friendly. The quality may not be great, but it does the job. They look quite decent and go well with any kind of decor, I think. It has two separate drawers. Next is this clear glass vase that I keep on the bedside table. It's a steal for only 99 rupees. These flowers are 69 rupees each. They look beautiful together. I got this artificial potted plant. It's a hanging plant and it looks almost real. I also got this artificial stem. IKEA has so many artificial plants and flowers and they look so real that they're hard to resist. This is a set of 3 artificial succulent. They also have bigger sizes in this. Next is this black and white floor lamp. It goes with almost every decor. It gives a diffused look and spreads a lot of light around the room. I got this beige sofa throw as well. The color goes well with my grey sofa. I love the texture of this fabric. It's lightweight, feels warm and can be machine washed. It's perfect to put over your legs or shoulder when it feels a little chilly. Then I got a set of 6 coasters with coaster holder. It's stainless steel and there is a velvety layer on the bottom. It's easy to clean and looks great on my coffee table. Then I got a few toothbrush holders, soap dish and soap dispensers. The soap dish and the toothbrush holder are stoneware, so it's quite heavy. You'll get it in 3 different colors. The soap dispensers are 450 ml, so they last for a long time and you don't have to refill them again and again. It also comes in 3 different colors. I got this dishwashing brush. It has a suction cup, so it sticks to the sink and tiles. Lastly, my most used product is this Lent roller, which is extremely useful in a day-to-day life. I use it to clean dust from my sofa, bed and car seats for that matter. I have been using it very frequently and I really need to get a couple of more next time I visit IKEA.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please let me know in the comment section below so that I can come up with more such haul videos. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.